Welcome back to And This Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix a verification code not received on Instagram. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Instagram, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. If you are not receiving the verification code from Instagram, of course, there are several steps that we can do to finally resolve this issue, alright? Number one is, you might want to check your spam and junk folder if you are using the web version or on the website of Instagram.com, alright? So let me do that right now. Especially that the email is part of your verification code, be it an email or an SMS messages. All right, so once I'm here on my Gmail, which is the associated account on my Instagram app, all I gotta do is make sure that it didn't went to the spam, so it's nothing here. So after doing that, we're going to go to the mobile device to see if how we can fix this issue itself. All right, now for example, I am going to try the logging into my account because the verification code is not working. When you click on login, you would get this error: your password was incorrect and please double check your password, right? But the thing is, there's a cool way for you to be able to override that on verification by clicking on the forgot password. All right, and now the email sent has been sent to your email. Okay, so that's one way. Of course, all I have to do is get back again to the email that I was checking earlier to see that the code wasn't sent to the junk folder. All right, now another cool way is for you to use the new feature from Instagram, which is the QR code. So instead of you getting the verification code, why not use this instead, right? All I'm gonna do is scan and you're logged in. Now, if you don't like that option, just hover here again in the hamburger menu, click on settings and privacy, and again, just hover to where it says help. And from here, report a problem. And all I'm gonna do is put in a screenshot or a video that's giving you a problem in terms of the verification code is not being received by your account. All right, tell them. And click on send, and hopefully one of the support staff from Instagram will give you a reply or response and give you insights and troubleshooting steps to fix this issue. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.